Oh.
Hello, and welcome to another session of He Drinks, She Drinks, and today we're going to be talking about something quite interesting. It's Chinese red jujube, or red date, Chinese red dates. Yep. Ta-da.
Let me check it out.
It's a wonderful fruit that is quite delicious as tea, and you can actually put it in soup and things like soups as well.
And they do come in different sizes. There are big ones, there are small ones, and the even lazy version is, ta-da, the seeds being taken out, or the stone. They taste a little bit like red date, like faint date taste. And it is really quite lovely. Like you can put a big handful of them in hot water, let it soak until it's soft, and then you can eat it. And it's kind of sweet. So some people even actually eat it like a snack. And in Chinese, actually, the way I know about them is the blood replenisher after surgery, after childbirth, particularly after childbirth. I remember after giving birth to my two girls, mom was like just going crazy feeding me these jujube drink.
So what she's saying in the Western sense, it's got vitamin B1, B2, and B3, not the bananas on TV, but the kids show. And one of the things about the B vitamins is it allows the oxygen to be circulated by blood and absorbed by the body. So that's where the blood replenishing part comes in. It's got a whole heap of other vitamins in there too, as we're checking it out now. And it's
Wikipedia says magnesium, potassium, calcium. Of course, if you have any concerns about these things, do check with medical professionals. But from us, for us, like this afternoon, the reason why I got it out is I feel a little bit lethargic. Maybe it's just a big lunch thing. And so I got these jujube out, a handful of black tea leaves, and just let it brew for like 5-10 minutes. And then you can just drink it. It's really pleasant to drink. There's nothing funny about it. It's just jujube. And this is sort of lead to the other thing, that sometimes people ask us about fruit teas. Most fruit teas do have flavor. To actually put some fruit in hot water and then getting a nice infusion, it's not always going to be the case. Like, with strawberries and mangoes and all that, it's not going to give you a nice infusion. However, these jujube, definitely, it will give you a nice tonic.
Are they flavored? They're not flavored. You heard it here. They're not flavored.
So it is quite a soothing drink, and certainly jujube is also really tasty in soup and porridge as well. And it leads to another point that I think, nowadays we're all so busy. When we put something in our mouth, whether it is a drink or food, we don't think a lot. It's almost like, oh yeah, just, grab the lunch and go, or just get a quick bite, whatever it is. As long as you feel full enough, then you move on. And obviously that's not going to be great for your health. And in the long term, you will suffer. And, that's why we love leaf tea, because it's such a simple thing that you can do, but it's consciously choosing something good for you, and it doesn't cost you a bomb. And just really love that 5-minute tea time moment, to enjoy it.
Definitely.
Yeah. So if you're wanting to check this out, it is under the fruit infusion section in our website, and it's called Jujube, Jujube. And absolutely, grab a handful, soak them up as soon as they're soft, kind of like dates, and you can just kind of put it in any way that you use date. We've actually tried making sticky date pudding with it, and
it does work. It does work.
It does work, yeah. A little, in fact, a little fainter, like not so intense and ultra sweet like the standard.
We typically have it in soup and also some stews, especially if we want the stew or the soup to taste a little sweeter, but not adding any extra sugar, because I know there are some people out there who, for the sweeter taste in their food, they add sugar to it, and you don't need it, but you want that softer taste. It's not so strong on chili, savory, and all that. So it really works in a light kind of way.
So check it out in Teas.com.au, the fruit infusion section. And if you use your jujube in a certain special way, share the tips, and we'd love to learn about it too.
yeah, send us your comments. We'd really love to hear from you.
Take care.
Bye.
See you next time.